Yeah! Yeah! Minute 89. Fuck you. Fuck me for being the better player. I'm going to the bathroom, man. Alright, be quiet. My parents are sleeping. Fuck you and your parents.
A chance to revisit the goal.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh, those acoustics.
Hey, yo, man, keep it the fuck down.
Bro, I found it.
What? What you talking about?
The perfect acoustics.
Yeah, right.
I found it.
Yeah, right.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm in my friend's bathroom. The sound's just... Man, I'm seeing heaven. I'm seeing heaven.
You for real?
I'm telling you, man, you gotta come see this. Bring the boys and come over.
Nah, that's a red. That's a red. He was open.
He did.
Name? What? Sir, I need your name to see if you're reserved or not, and whether you can come in or not. We have full house tonight. This is my bathroom. Who the fuck are you? Oh, you're the previous owner. Yeah, they told me you're my best spot. Best spot. You do realize this is my toilet? Sir, this room is now the property of the Beatbox community. Look, you want to make a reservation or something? Because I got shit to do.
Bro, you're not listening. This is my toilet. This is my house. Who the fuck are you? Who are all those people? How the fuck did you even get in here?
We were told to get people in through the back entrance.
Back entrance, what? Look, where's Chris? He came to the bathroom like 15-20 minutes ago. Before all this, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Chris? Oh, you mean DJ Snake 509? Yeah, he's performing on stage 4. Yo, you ain't reserved. You ain't reserved.
Yo! Can you tell me what the fuck is going on in here?
Heaven on earth is what's going on, man. Yo, they serving acid at the bar. Go help yourself.
What the fuck did you do to my bathroom?
Your bathroom structure is geometrically perfect for beatboxing, bro. I made it into what it's meant to be. The most acoustically pleasing beatbox venue on earth. It was its destiny.
I told you, my parents are sleeping. I told you to be quiet.
But somehow you put together a goddamn rave in a 10 feet wide bathroom.
It's meant to be, bro. That's it. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. That's it. That's it.
I need to
It's
keep
on.
you out of
I'm
here.
gonna call the cops on your ass.
Sir.
I'll be put in solitary, and I'm a suicide bomb myself.